Hey guys, what's up? We are now going to unbox the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. This is the Singapore version. I just got it from Mr. Mobile for $1,548 Singapore dollars. We're going to check out what's inside the box. This is the silver chrome version with 512 gigabytes of storage. Got it brand new in the box, unopened, with the shrink wrap still intact. I'm quite excited to see what's in there. If I'm not mistaken, this is their March 2025 version imported into Singapore. So we have got a small little box here and the phone itself tucked in here. It's still wrapped up in a protective film. And the charger is 90 watts charger. Unfortunately, it's in a 3-pin Singapore plug. It's the European version with 2 prongs sticking out here. It even says, if you can read the words, it says EU perforated. And we have the charging cable here. I would say it's about maybe 1 meter or 1.2 at most. There isn't a polycarbonate casing which I had expected. So that's a little bit disappointing, but it looks... oh, sorry, there is one here. Instructions manual and the polycarbonate casing, just a very rudimentary one, transparent. And you can actually, let's see, let's try to install it. Alright, so looks pretty good, pretty sleek. Quite excited to try it. I'm not sure how much battery is in there. It's gonna be a bit tough. I'm trying my best to install the casing without scratching the sides of the phone, or maybe I should take my time to do it later, but just want to show you guys how it looks like with the transparent case. And yep, pretty cool. 200 megapixels sensor right here, Leica lens. Looks really good. Alright, thank you guys for watching.